People are noticing my skin tone has improved. I've noticed after using the sauna, it feels like I have a whole new skin. And my double chin is gone, and I'm working on getting rid of anything else gone here. And people have noticed, yes, I've lost weight. I have lost 20 pounds since I've been here, and I've lost inches also, 11 inches, I should say. And that really makes me happy.
Wow, it's a new sensation. I'm a whole different person. I'm so energetic, and I feel good. My skin is just the best it's looked in years. And I feel so much thinner because I know how the toxins are out of me now. And it's just the most wonderful, exciting feeling to be in a place like this. If I could just bring the whole town in here, I would.
My skin is glowing. People have commented. The wrinkles are not there, and I glow.
I love the sauna. My complexion is better than it was when I was 44. It seems like my wrinkles have disappeared, and I think I look better.
I had some skin cancer removed from my nose. I don't know if you can see it, but most people tell me they can hardly notice it. And the infrared sauna actually helps heal your scars up. And I didn't believe it at first, but man, it's true.
My face glows. When I put on makeup, I'm completely flawless. People that know me when I bartend come in and they're like, wow, you look really good. You look really pretty today. So that's always nice.
I've noticed a difference in my skin texture. It's a lot more flexible. I get up in the morning and it's not, we live in Nevada, we live in a desert state, so everybody knows how dry it is here. But I've noticed a difference in my skin within 2 days of using the infrared sauna.
I feel so much better about myself. I've lost probably about 5 or 6 pounds in less than a month, and maybe about 12 inches. And I encourage anyone that hasn't tried it, you need to get in here. It's like the hottest thing. It's amazing. It'll change your life, and it'll do wonders for you.
I've noticed that my dark circles are going away, and my skin feels awesome, and I've lost a few pounds. I've never felt better. I just turned 40 last week, and I felt better than I did when I was in my 20s.
Menopause. When menstruation begins, you are not losing and regenerating the blood. Your body has a thermoregulatory system and is overheating to cleanse and purify the blood systemically. Many people believe that it has to do with hormones. I believe that it has to do with the body trying to keep up with the toxic synthetic overload. Women who have clean blood do not suffer from hot flashes. This goes back to cleansing the body systemically.
Also, if you're suffering from hot flashes, I'd recommend you give this a try too, because I'm not on any kind of hormone replacement therapy. I got off of it, and I'm trying this instead, and it does seem to be helping me. Because I was having really bad hot flashes, and my hot flashes now are much less, and I go through periods of not having hot flashes at all. I think if I would come on perhaps a more regular basis or more times a week, and I'm experimenting with that right now, I think that they'd go away altogether, because I have had periods where I have not had any hot flashes.
Pain can be reduced by breaking up scar tissue, eliminating toxic metabolic acidic waste, and increasing circulation to the area naturally, the way we were supposed to heal. Let's strengthen the immune system, not suppress it.
I think the highlight of using the infrared sauna has been my problem with my high blood pressure. I have a history of having high blood pressure, but since I've been on this program here, coming to the sauna every other day and every day, all around, my blood pressure has become stable. I mean, it is right there where it wanted to be. In fact, my doctors will be winging me off of my medication now, cutting me down and down. Eventually, I won't have to take it no more. So I just can't say nothing else about that infrared sauna.
A friend of mine, Cindy, she's like an adopted sister, came in. She had endometriosis and was going to have a hysterectomy. The doctor said that you have to have this if you're going to live. We decided to try reverse aging. after about a month of infrared saunas and the minerals, her endometriosis disappeared magically, and it never came back. She went back to the doctor and has gone back to the doctor ever since, and he says, nope, you don't have a problem, you don't need it, no surgery, you're doing fine. Jennifer was losing her hair, and after coming into Diane for infrared sauna and some minerals, her hair started growing back. She lost it for like 8 years, and she's doing fine. She no longer has to wear wigs, and she looks great. They're both happy. I've never seen anything like this work before in my life. It's fantastic.
My wife and I love the place. I have come in, started to come in, referred by my chiropractor. I don't go to medical doctors. They can't help me with anything that I've got, so I've had to go out on my own and figure out what's going on via the internet, researching, and Diane has been a blessing, a huge blessing. I have a condition that wants to take my hands, as you can see, wants to take my hands and just curl them up. It creates these little puck marks on both hands, wants to curl them up, and medical doctors want to take, when it goes to this point, they want to go in and slice it open. Works for maybe a year, 2 years, and then it all comes back. Through using the infrared saunas, I take my hands and stick them right up to the heat elements, and I can feel it penetrate into my hands. I'm able to take them and bend them back like this, which I was not able to do before I started coming to reverse aging and learned about infrared saunas. And I can feel all of this breaking down, letting loose. And I've researched everything I can find on the internet, and they say that there's nothing that you can do for it. Well, through reverse aging and infrared saunas, I'm finding that it's working. I'm getting complete mobility of my hands again, and this has gotten to where it was extremely sore. As far as I'm concerned, the infrared sauna has become my miracle, personal miracle for myself. Taking care of this. On top of that, I've got arthritis and all that, and it's all going away through reverse aging, learning to use minerals, raw foods, and it all, you have to have it all as a package. There's just not one thing that's going to make something go away. You've got to really get in and do your research, and my research led me here.
I have a real bad need. I have a torn meniscus, and so it's most of the time I have to sleep with it on a pillow, and I cannot straighten it all the way, and I'm on pain medication. I haven't had to take pain medication for the last 3 days.
This is just one day in the life at our wellness center. We wish to share the light with you right now. Thanks for your participation in cleansing and balancing yourself one cell at a time. Raise your consciousness now and awaken within. Live your passion like so many others do in the comfort of your own home, every day if you wish. I use my sauna every day for at least 20 minutes. Decide to change your destiny too. I am so confident that we can help you. My hopes are to meet each and every one of you because we all deserve to feel light, radiant, energized, and connected during our divine journey.